welcome back. Keep it simple, short. Join&coin here. Thanks for your support. All right, short update for Vechain. Vechain, we talked in my last update that, when we come here to the downside, target is around 2.3 cents to 2.22 cents. So we barely touched here the 3 cent. We barely touched here the 2.3 cent. And overall, we are somewhere in nowhere's land. So price is going sideways in the last days on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we are here in a triangle formation. Also, the RSI is in a triangle formation. And I think that once we are breaking out here, then we will see a strong reaction. And also here on the weekly time frame, you can see it. There's nothing much to do here for now. And what's the most likely outcome? Well, let's take a short look at the short term. In the short term, there's nothing much to say. Do I think it's more likely to come to the downside? Yes. For any bullish price action, I think you have to break 2.6 cent, 2.66 cent around here. Then we are good to go. But I think more likely it is that we were coming here a bit more to the downside. And this would be still here, this 2.22 cent. Overall, as I said before, I think once we are breaking out of this triangle here, then we can see a more sustained price action. I think it will be to the upside. But we are still not out of the woods here. We need a breakout and then a retest. And this could come in 1 week, in 2 weeks, or also potentially at the end of September. And where we are heading, as I said many times before, for now, at least for now, this is subject of change. I don't see, if we see any kind of alt season, I really don't see a case where we break higher than around 12 to 13 cent for Vechain. We got rejected here once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. We are still here in the levels of the bear market when we entered it in May of 22. And unfortunately, if we take a look at Vechain Bitcoin is also somewhere very, very much corrected. And Vechain Ethereum, of course, can we outperform Ethereum? Yes. Will Vechain outperform? I think definitely. So alone here, to come here to the upper boundary of this downward sloping channel would be around 130%. But what we saw in the past was here, for example, what we saw here in the past for Vechain, it was 600% in no time outperforming Ethereum. And we are nowhere. Also in Ethereum, we were just going down. So, of course, we can come here to higher levels. But at least for now, I think it's very unlikely that we do more than 200, 250% to max 300% outperforming of Vechain against Ethereum. And this would mean and line up very much with my targets at around 12 to 13 cents. All right, this was my short update for Vechain. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I wish you a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.